Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another beauty video. If you're new here and you haven't subscribed, or you're just watching this video and you're still yet to subscribe, please do me a huge favor and click that red subscribe button. It's absolutely free. Also, if you're a returning subscriber, you guys know how we do. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. Now in today's video, I'm going to be telling you guys why I stopped doing makeup tutorials. Also, I'm going to be styling this hair I received from Cynosure Hair. So if you guys want to hear all about that, then please keep on watching. Alright guys, so the hair came via DHL and this is the packaging. Okay, this is it. So it's the Cynosure 100% unprocessed human hair and it's body wave. That's the style. Let me just open it and show you guys the bundles. All right, so comes with free false lashes. I don't know whether this is human hair, and it also has a pamphlet here. Basically shows you all the styles of hair they have, their contact, I think. Wait, hold on. Okay, yeah, hair types, feedback, frequently asked questions, how to wash your hair, how to take care of your hair, and all that good stuff. And then so this is the hair. So it comes with a closure and it's 100% HD transparent closure. Let me just see if I can open it and show you guys. All right, so this is the closure. I'll still need to bleach the knots because the color is a bit off, but this is what it looks like. So it has a bit of baby hair. And these are the bundles. So it comes in, what are the lengths? Let me check. This is 18 inches. This is 18 inches. This is 20 inches. And I think this is 16 inches. So the closure is 14 inches. Then the bundles are 16, 18, and 20. So this is what it looks like before the wig. Alright guys, so I've gone ahead to do my brows off camera just to save time, and obviously this is not an eyebrow tutorial, so I'm just going to go right ahead and do my eyes. And for my eyes today, I'm going to apply just powder, nothing else. But before I apply the powder, I'm going to use a concealer first, and then I'll just use the powder to set that concealer. And the concealer I'm using today is the Zaron Cosmetics liquid concealer in the shade medium. So I'm just going to pop that on my lid and then blend it out. Just take a small eyeshadow brush like so and just blend out that concealer. So this the concealer is going to serve as a base for the powder I'm going to use to set it. So to set that concealer, I'm just going to use the Flawless IV High Definition Matte Pressed Powder, this one, and it's in the shade beige. I'm just going to apply that with my Real Techniques setting brush all over my eyelid where I applied the concealer. So just set it, and then I'm going to blend. Alright, so guys, why did I stop doing makeup tutorials? Did I actually stop doing makeup tutorials? I think I did, because when I started my channel was about makeup tutorials. I used to teach makeup, but I stopped doing makeup tutorials, and then I just started creating makeup looks on my channel. So now, why did I stop doing makeup tutorials? It's very simple. I stopped doing makeup tutorials because nobody was watching. That's the truth. Nobody was watching. I think the engagement on my makeup tutorials really dropped after some time. Yes, I had started. Those who wanted me to start, they were there initially, but after some time, I just realized that people were not watching as much as they were watching when I started. So now I have a question. I want to throw you guys this question. Why did you stop watching? Why did you stop watching makeup tutorials, or why don't you watch makeup tutorials? I'm not going to get angry with anybody, even if you tell me why. It doesn't matter. You don't even have to answer, but I need to answer the question by myself. I think I'm done with my eyes, so I'm just going to apply liquid liner now. I think I should use gel liner. I'm going to use a gel liner, and the gel liner I'll be using is from Zaron Cosmetics, and it's their long wear gel eyeliner in the shade Jazz. It's a black gel liner. Okay, so now I want to ask myself why, because there are some makeup channels I used to watch, not makeup channels, actually beauty channels, people who do makeup tutorials. I used to watch quite a number of them, But right now I don't even I don't watch makeup tutorials anymore. This is me talking from a subscriber's point of view now, somebody who is subscribed to a beauty channel who does makeup. All right, so I've actually stopped watching a lot of makeup channels I used to watch, and that's because I think it gets boring at some time. Trust me, I don't watch my makeup tutorials, so I don't know how it is for you guys. But from the ones I watch, I don't know if I can talk and do my gel liner. Let me just apply my gel liner, guys. Alright, so I'm done with my gel liner, and the next thing I want to do is to use some mascara for my lashes. And the mascara I'm using today is also from Zara Cosmetics, and it's their lengthening mascara. So I'm just going to apply a little bit of that on my natural lashes before I apply the falsies. So yeah, so as I was saying, guys, basically I just I got bored watching makeup tutorials, so I assume that is why you guys stopped watching my makeup videos as well. And then again, I remember some time ago I was at an event, and someone asked me a question. We were in a group, and someone just asked a question, what's my YouTube channel about? And that was just when I started doing YouTube. So I told her that my channel is a beauty channel, beauty lifestyle, and that I do a lot of makeup tutorials. So someone that was there with us said, she made a comment. She said she doesn't see why she would watch makeup tutorials of an upcoming YouTuber when there are, she mentioned two YouTubers that also do makeup. And back then I actually felt bad about that comment, but thinking about it now, I realized that it's actually true. I mean, it's to an extent, it made me feel bad, but she was just saying the truth and how she felt. Because I feel like if you want to watch makeup tutorials, either you already have your favorites or there's a particular thing you want to watch. I want to apply my false lashes, and I think I'm going to use this one that was given to me by Cynosure Hair. I'm going to apply that with the Beauty King. How does this thing open? With the Beauty King lash adhesive, this one. So yeah, for those people who actually watch makeup tutorials, if you still watch makeup tutorials, I'll assume that probably you're sold to that person. You know, you can't that person can't go wrong in your eyes. So no matter what the person is doing, you would still watch it. And I feel like if you search certain things on YouTube, especially how to do anything relating to makeup, you will find 1,000,001 videos on that thing. Also, for a small YouTuber, it's hard for your channel or your video to actually pop up. So instead, you will see videos from people who have done it in the past. It could even be from up to a year ago, 2 years ago, 3 years ago, because the truth is there is nothing new that has not been filmed. There is nothing new, except is a trend or a hack, and that trend has to be new. Somebody has to come up with something new, and then it starts to trend. That way people might still watch your makeup videos, your makeup tutorials and all that. But if it's regular things like how to apply false lashes, how to do your eyebrows, how to apply eyeshadow for hooded eyes, whatever it is, it has already been done. It's already on YouTube. So if you search any of those topics, you would find videos that have been done before. So for a small YouTuber's channel to actually pop up, it's hard. So there has to be something very unique and different about your makeup tutorial, and that's why people do sit down chit chat videos, story time videos. So they are telling you something, they are giving you a story while they are doing their makeup. So with videos like that, you see that it's not actually about the makeup tutorial anymore, because you're not even teaching. You're just, I need this thing to get tacking. So you're not actually teaching makeup. Instead, people are more interested in what you're saying. So they are going to watch the video because they want to hear what you're saying. And not everybody is good at doing their makeup and talking, e.g. me. It's not one of my favorite things. I hardly do all the sit down chit chat videos. But the truth is, that's the only way you can actually sell a makeup tutorial to people. So while they are watching your makeup, they're also listening to what you're saying. And then again, videos like that actually get more engagement because people are not only going to comment about your makeup look, they're also going to comment about what you're talking about, you know. So I also realized that with my makeup tutorials, my engagement just became very what's the word, will I say cliche? The engagement just became very regular, very normal. So I get the same comments like, oh, nice makeup, oh, lovely makeup, just the same thing. Don't get me wrong, I'm not saying I don't like the engagement or the comments you guys leave on my makeup tutorials. It's just that it's the same thing over and over again, so it does get boring. The last time I actually did a makeup tutorial, I think, was November, and it wasn't like a makeup tutorial per se. I wasn't really teaching, I was just doing, what was that video about? I'm not too sure. I think I was trying out a product, or it was the powder before foundation hack. So it wasn't really like a tutorial, it was a hack. So those kind of videos, yeah, people may still watch because they want to actually know if what they're talking about is true. But as in for regular makeup, a brown eyeshadow, red lipstick, trust me, I am bored of such. So I can imagine how bored you guys are, and that's why you guys don't watch my makeup tutorials, and that's why I actually stopped doing makeup tutorials. I want to pop on my second false lash. Alright guys, so I'm done with my eye look now. Very simple, easy and quick to do. But the thing is, no matter how simple my eye makeup is, my lashes must always pop, guys. It's compulsory. My lashes must always pop. Alright, so I'm just going to speed up the process of my face. You guys have seen me do that 1,001 times, alright? Alright, so face snatched. I'm just going to go back in with my Flawless Ivy high definition, is it matte or pressed? Matte pressed powder, and then just blend out all this loose powder I used to highlight my concealer and also set my face. Alright, so on a final note, on a final thought, am I going to stop doing makeup tutorials? I don't think so. I don't think I will. All I have to do is just find more interesting and engaging ways to put out my makeup tutorials so that people can watch. And I mean, some people might feel that it's a waste of product to just be doing makeup, and if I know that people are not watching, but personally I don't think it's a waste of products. I have tons and tons of makeup products. I mean, I have just one face, I can't finish using all. And then again, whenever I do my makeup, I create a makeup look, I always take a picture or pictures and post on Instagram. And the good thing about that is that these pictures have helped brands find me, so it's not totally a waste. And for that reason, I am still going to do my makeup tutorial, so you guys should please watch. Now if you have other ideas for my makeup tutorials, let me know so that I can film more interesting makeup tutorials for you guys. All right, so I'm done setting my face, and the next thing I'm going to do is just apply a little bit of blush and bronzer. Now onto my lips, I'm also going to go very simple, and I think to line I'm going to use this Flawless Ivy lip pencil in the shade, it says Baby. It's a very light pink shade, almost like nude. Let's see, let's swatch it. Let me swatch it. This is what it looks like. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah, it's actually very light, so I'm just going to use that to line my lips first, and then I'll just use a clear lip gloss. Alright guys, so I'm done with my makeup now, and on to the star of the show, which is this wig sitting pretty on my mannequin head. But before I pop it on, I'm just going to I have to flatten my my natural hair. I tried to put this in cornrows last night, but my nails wouldn't let me. So I think I'm just going to use some leave-in conditioner and brush the hair back and use a wig cap to flatten the hair. So let's just try and attempt that. Alright, so I went ahead to apply some foundation to the wig cap so that it can blend with my skin tone, but it looks like it's a bit too dark. I don't know, it looks a bit dark, but yeah, I'm just going to make it work. Alright, let me just show you guys the wig again. Now this came in bundles with a closure, and the closure was 14 inches, and the bundles were 16 inches, 18 inches, and 20 inches, and it's from Cynosure Hair, and it's their 100% human hair body wave. So this is what the wig looks like. Now I'm also going to apply some foundation to the lace, because the guy who did the who made the wig didn't bleach the lace. So I'm going to apply some foundation to the back of the lace, and I'm just going to use my foundation brush to do that. Alright guys, so this is what the hair is looking like. Let me just stand so that you guys can see how long it is. So this is what the hair looks like. I like the length. I also like that it's really very soft, as in the hair feels very soft. Can you see? My hand is going through very easily, and I'm going to wear this hair for a while, and then of course I'll update you guys maybe after a month or two to let you guys know how the hair is faring. Now I'm going to leave the details of Cynosure Hair in the description box, as well as this hair, in case you want to buy this one or any other hair from Cynosure Hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, also click the notification bell just beside subscribe so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye guys.